Jordi, ya has visto.
Just when you used it in that girl with house in the building.
No, we were sitting on the ride.
Y cuídenos, pequeños. Gracias.
Bienvenidos. For your safety, remain seated in your hands, arms, feet and legs inside your coaches. And if you have children with you, please wait.
We're listening.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado en la punta de las manos.
You weigh a lot less than I do.
Welcome, amigos. I am Panchito. I am José, Carioca. And this is... I don't know. We must wait. The coffee is tonight. Mexico ready. This way. The shoes are not to start. Caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. We're company amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together. Adios, amigos! Come again! See you next time! We'll be watching for you! Catch us on tour! Viva Mexico! Goodbye! Adios, amigos! Come again! See you next time!
And Donald, next time, please stay on the sarape, okay?
See? We came to all over Mexico! Aha! Come again! Remember to stay seated till the boat reaches the dock. Gather your
Not like in that way. No, because like, I was like, what's your favorite Disney character? He's like, I don't really watch TV anymore. They have little big shots of fish. Anyways, he was like, probably, like, you can do this on YouTube. And I was like,